Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to set default notification ringtone in oppo A16e. So let us start our video. Firstly click on the setting icon. After clicking on the setting icon, you will see many options. Swipe up and you will click on the sound and vibrations. After that, swipe up and here you will see default notification ringtone. Click on that. After that, choose the following tones which you want to set on the default notification sound ringtone. Wait, I want that one, so click on that. After that, you will click on the back option and here you will see the result. Our default notification ringtone is set in this way. So I hope this video helps you, so please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.